Guys, we're here in a cottage garden, so we're gonna try Honda Brio RS if we can climb Sierra. Of course, we're gonna use S mode. So ito na si cottage garden, steepest part in Sierra Madre, I think.
I felt
You
it
hold it.
so cold. I felt it so cold. I'm very nice.
Slowly. I need to put on my seatbelt. Let's go. D mode won't work. Let's use S mode for better acceleration and more engine brake. So a while ago I had a hard time, or D mode had a hard time climbing Sierra. So I think this is the steepest and longest climb. Cottage garden category number 2 or 3. So this is S mode. So far I'm only at 3000 RPM. And of course I have my own camera girl, and it's her birthday today. That's why we need to go to Cafe Caterina. And we have some scooties. So far it's doing great with S mode. I'm doing 50 to 60 kph climbing. I don't want to switch back to drive mode or D mode because I can only do 40. Oh, we have Celerio over here. Something's creaking on my rear wheel. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a rock or a stick, but I don't like that sound. Holy wow, what is that noise? And why am I wearing a mask? So zigzag, this is Marilake. Okay, the weird noise is now gone. I think that one was just like a rock. So we are heading over to the radar tower station. It's been more than 2 years or 3 years. This is my playground when I go out and ride my bike or road bike or mountain bike, fat bike, whatever. This used to be my playground, and this is the part where we have like a lot of accident. This part over here, and then another one over there. So that's why you need to slow down. Double line, don't cross. And this is the famous spot on Facebook where they do kamote banking. This part over here. Yee-hoo! See? And here's the over there, that's the radar tower, but the radar is out. It's gone. And this is the second part of the killer zigzag road. So if you want to go to Sierra Madre, avoid climbing here on Saturdays and Sundays. You have a ton of bikers, riders, cyclists, even runners. Sometimes they do Sierra, so much better go. You can drive over here Monday to Thursday will do. See, I don't do overtakes. I'm waiting. And there you go. This is the number 3 Killer Zigzag from Cottage Garden. So a lot of accidents going on this part. We have a dog. Hey, dude. Here's another one. But it's a rough road section. I think this is the overshoot area. A lot of cyclists and riders end up dead over there. See, we have one. Oh no, okay. No, they're just parking. Awee! Another place to overshoot, this part over here. I think we're approaching the Magnetic Hill. Oh no, not yet. Slalom. I'm gonna let my tires stretch. Doing 70. Magnetic Hill? Nope, not yet. So I'm still on S mode. I'm gonna lose engine brake if I do D mode, so I prefer S mode. So this is Magnetic Hill. We normally call this Magnetic Hill because every time we go on a bicycle ride, this climb over here is like one of the hardest, but it's not really steep, so that's why we have checkpoint. Oh, okay, checkpoint. Hello, sir.
Magandang umaga po. Saan po tayo, sir?
Diyan lang, Katerina. Tapos
Sabi
balik din kami. So we have checkpoint. We need to go back. And that's the end of our joyride. We are not allowed to go or pass Tanay since we don't have medical certificate. Our pass is only good for Manila. Oh crap. That's okay. So at least you guys know. You need the medical certificate for each individual. But why the hell they can pass through? Let's check the other guys. Oh, do you have certificates? I don't know. So they are also turning back. So it's kind of strict over here. If you don't have medical pass, you need to turn back. You need to go back and then just do a joyride. So others, they do have a certificate or a medical clearance or pass, but that pickup over there, I don't know what's his issue. But we are gonna head home, so that's all. And we have a lot of cars piling up. think they also don't have pass. Oh shoot. Okay, we need to go home. Gutom na ako. Instant dash cam. Most likely McDonald's. We're gonna have lunch on her birthday at McDonald's. We even made the research before this day. I don't know what happened. A lot of guys posted on FB saying that they can go to Shira without any problems. There are no checkpoints, but it's different here in Tanay. Massage. Just gonna ride. No, not ride. I'm gonna drive. Hey Kuya, what you doing? Doing vlog? Kuya is waiting for kamotes, ah. So I'm just showing you the zigzag part in Shira. Normally that's where they start, Cottage Garden, then all the way up to Cafe Caterina, and then they're gonna go back. Even supercars, they drive by over here every Sunday. Are we there yet? No. Medical certificate. What? It's a mountain, open area. Why do you need medical certificate? Going inside the mall, you don't need certificates. Oh, kamote! So we're almost near Cottage Garden. If it's your first time going here and you're on a motorbike, much better just take it slow. So if you can try driving a car first before riding a bike or a motorbike, then that'll be much better, I guess. Ayun, wala na. So mostly downhill. It's just downhill na lang. Biscoterista. Ito na ba? Ito na. Oyandir Cottage Garden. Ito na. Garden cottages pala. Okay. And we are back to Cottage Garden. This is the place where we start filming. So I guess that's all for today. Our little misadventure. Teka, kanina pa nandun si Kuya. Yung nagbabike. Ano nangyari doon mo? Nasiraan siya. Maybe we're gonna try next time. Cafe Caterina. Sarap pa naman ang food doon. So, S-Mode, Honda Brio, Sierra Madre. Kayang-kaya. Okay guys, see you next time.